Hello friends, CA Abhishek Zavre here from Ekatum Academy. The students who could not clear CA Foundation exam in May 2025, for those students, we are coming up with exam-oriented revision free on YouTube channel of Ekatum Academy. We'll be starting this revision from Sunday, this particular Sunday, morning 8 o'clock, that is 27th of July 2025, morning 8 o'clock, face-to-face at Prestige Point, and live streaming will also be done on Ekatum's YouTube channel. We will be covering majority of the chapters. It is not possible to cover all the chapters, but majority chapters on which you feel, let's say it is difficult, like partnership accounts or not-for-profit organization or something like a company accounts or something like a final accounts or single entry. All those topics which basically trouble you, we will cover up all those topics over the multiple sessions. The first session we will be having on 27th of July, Sunday. It will be 8 o'clock onwards till evening, depending on, let's say, how much we can cover up. Timing is, you people are free, so you people should be willing to give as much time as possible. Preferably be ready to sit for 8 to 10 hours a day. And thereafter, we will decide the mutual convenient timings for the subsequent sessions also, so that we can cover up good number of chapters before examination for accounts, so that you get 60 to 70 marks easily in this examination. Don't get disheartened by the results of the CA Foundation that could have been declared 12 to 15%. It's okay. You could not clear, you were unsuccessful, but September 2025, you should ensure that you fly and pass with the flying colors. So we'll cover up majority topics. Subsequent sessions will update you. For the purpose of sending you the PDF notes, the Google form is to be filled up. The staff would put the link in description below. Please fill up the Google form containing your details of mobile number, email ID, so that we can send you the study material and we can send you the further updates. In case you people have any questions or anything, please drop in a comment box. We will reply to it. It is free of cost. There is no fee to be paid. So just do the Google form registration and do inform your friends. But please, bacho, by just filling up the Google form, it is not going to work. You have to attend a lecture. You have to watch the lectures with sincerity. I will be starting with the major topics on Sunday morning. So see you on Sunday morning. Bye-bye.